So the idea of swearing and then not swearing, which we wouldn't have anyway, we're actually not very sweary, but because there are children in the house, led me swiftly on to remind myself that there's a birthday here tonight, and it's Martha's birthday, and Martha's just here, and it's the big 9? Yeah, Martha's 9 today! So it's only right that we sing to Martha. Obviously, all of these songs are for Martha, but there's a very special song for Martha, which, if we start too high, is awful. Who wants to start the key? It's actually a really hard song. It is. Octave jumps all over the place. Ha, is that right? Yeah, let's do that. That's a really good one. Well done, Hannah. Very brave, very bold. Happy birthday. Oh, I've got no. Sorry, Martha, we've really ruined your birthday. Start again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Martha. Happy birthday to you. Don't look at me like that. You know I'm who you got. For all the times that you pushed me through that door, for all the times that I just chose to ignore. Do you have to be so cruel? You know that I will tell you now. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid to start again. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice awakening. Don't speak to me that way, 'cause I've got plenty here to say, to make it clear that it's not a state of mind, to make it known that I will not compromise with someone just so unwilling. Don't tell me what I am. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid it's complicated. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid. Tell me what I am. The way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. Have you no shame when you're to blame? You want so much envy in your cause, so much resistance in your fall. I won't let you have it all. In the end, it's me who said it's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid it's complicated. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid. Tell me what I say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. Have you no shame when you're to blame? You want so much envy in your cause, so much resistance in your fall. Well, I won't let you